What's up, guys? I'm Damian Warhol, and I am back with another video. Uh, so I've been making a lot of videos lately about, just celebrity stuff, talking about Amber Heard, Johnny Depp. Mainly because I had a pretty good success with a video I made about the whole Will Smith slapping Kid Rock thing. Or Chris Rock, not Kid Rock. Although Kid Rock, he needs slapped. But anywho, I wanted to switch it up. I want to talk about investing. So the stock market is absolutely tanking right now. Like everything is just way down. ETFs are down, stocks are down, crypto's down, everything is down. And so, you know what I'm doing? I am buying more stocks. I am just dumping money into Vanguard. I've got several ETFs that I invest in every single week. There's VTI, VOOG. There's a couple other ones. I forget what they're called. Maybe I should have wrote them down. But there's like 4 ETFs that I buy every week. And then there's a couple of others I own. There's a few individual stocks that I own, not a whole lot. I do own some crypto. And so I figured I would make a video about how to become a long-term investor. So here it is, guys. Here's how you become a long-term investor. You buy stocks. That's step one. Then you have you lose a bunch of money, all right? The stocks go down. And then if you sell, you lose all that money. You're locking in those losses, right? You're supposed to buy low, sell high. So if you buy high and it goes low, what do? You hold. You don't sell it. And then, bam, you are a long-term investor. And that's how I got started in long-term investing. So I jumped on the bandwagon. I bought some Doge, pretty early. I think I first got into Doge at like 7 cents. And, I put, I think, like $300 in there. And bam, it shot all the way up to like, I don't know, like 60 something cents. And Elon Musk, he was on like SNL. And then bam, it just fell. It just went way down. And then it went back up a little bit more, and then it went down even farther, and oh my god. Anyway, long story short, guys, I am about $850 in the red on Doge. And my Doge is worth less and less every day. And it's absolutely ridiculous, guys. But you know what I'm not doing? I'm not selling. I'm holding on to that Doge. You watch Doge, it moves the same way as Bitcoin does and Ethereum, all that stuff. So I ain't too worried about it. It's going to come back. I have a little bit of Bitcoin, not nearly as much Bitcoin as I do Doge. A little bit of Ethereum. There are 2 other cryptos that I put a little bit of money into. So I put $300 in a coin called Australian Safe Shepherd. And I was on Facebook, these Facebook groups, people are like, oh yeah, buy Australian Safe Shepherd, blah blah blah, ass to the moon, watch your ass grow, blah blah blah. And my ass has been getting smaller and smaller every day, guys. My ass has all but disappeared because of these people on Facebook telling me to buy Australian Safe Shepherd. It's ridiculous, guys. Australian Safe Shepherd has plummeted. I spent $300 on that. I think it's worth like $17 now. I don't know. I haven't checked it in months. Who knows? Maybe I'm a millionaire. But I doubt it. Because I'd be seeing all about it on Facebook if it went up. But yeah, so I lost, pretty much all my money. I lost my ass, guys. I lost my ass. Another one, I spent about $500 on Ecomi. So that's also called Omi. It's has to do with like it can be transferred into something like gems or something, and you can buy like NFTs with it on some app, VV or whatever. I downloaded that VV app, and I was not able to buy anything on there. I can't get it to work. It won't let me buy anything. It's like, it gets declined. It declines my card. I don't know why, but I haven't really looked into it. But I think that might be a good thing, guys, because, these NFTs aren't doing too good. Ecomi's not doing too good. It's plummeted. It's like, oh, guys. So maybe it'll go back up. Everything's down. I don't know. But long story short, I am not buying any more crypto. At least not for a while, guys. But I'll tell you what, dude. I am buying those ETFs. I am buying me some Vanguard. And that's pretty much it. I'm buying Vanguard. I'm buying 4 different Vanguard ETFs every week. And that's where my money's going. It's going into that. And it goes lower and lower every day, and I lose a little bit of money every day, but one day it's going back up. Okay, so I'm not political, right? I do not want to talk about politics, but my hope is that there will be some sort of administration change in like 2024, and all this money that I'm putting into the stock market, into the S&P 500, all that money is going to grow exponentially, guys, because putting it in now, I'm getting dividends, doing some snowballing, and I'm putting money in every single week. And the price is just so low now. It's so cheap. So, a couple years from now, I think I'm going to be making a bunch of money on this, guys. I'm going to be doing pretty good. So we will see. But I'm going to wait till, later this year. Like, I'm going to keep buying every week. It's just done automatically, guys. And then later this year, maybe in December, if it's still super, super low, know what I'm going to do? I'm going to sell it all at a loss, and then I'm going to buy it right back. I'm going to put even more money in there. Then it's going to go up next year. I'm going to be showing a loss, so I'll get a good tax break, and I'm going to be doing just fine, guys. So that's my prediction. So, maybe a couple years from now, when it's 2024 and the stock market's doing great, President DeSantis is like, saying, no taxes, screw taxes. And everyone's like, yes, dump their money into the stock market. And it'll be the biggest wealth transfer of money to millennials. I'm a millennial, by the way. But I'm one of the good millennials. I'm an early millennial. I'm barely a millennial. Born in 1986. So you later millennials, you guys, you're not true 90s kids, guys. To be a 90s kid, you got to be born in the 80s. And so, anywho, I'm kind of rambling, but the key takeaways to this are buy, buy, buy. Like NSYNC said, guys. Listen to NSYNC. Listen to Justin Timberlake. He said it was going to be May, and then what happened? It's May. And, you should buy some Vanguard. Buy some ETFs. Get some dividends. Everything's on sale, guys. I mean, if you don't have any crypto, buy crypto. I'm not buying any crypto because I've bought a ton of crypto already. I've got a bunch of Doge. I've got a bunch of ass. It's, I think ass is probably the worst one that I've bought, unfortunately, but it might come back. We'll see. Everything's down. Ecomi, like I've got a lot of money in Ecomi, ass, and Doge. So I got over 1,000. Well, I had over $1,000 in Doge. But you know, if you do not have any crypto, I definitely recommend buying some. You know, get some Bitcoin. I've got some Bitcoin. I've got some Ethereum. I got Coinbase. I've got probably like 20 different cryptos on Coinbase. I don't even know which ones. You know, just like I did like the little training things, and like they give you like a couple dollars, whatever. And I was up to like 415 bucks on there, and now it's down to like 130 or something. It's just I recommend Vanguard. Get some Vanguard ETFs. Any of them. My favorites are VTI and VOOG. There's like VUG, I think. I don't know. I'm filming on my phone. If I wasn't filming on my phone, I could just, you know, look them up and tell you which ones I have. But that's about it, guys. More importantly than buying stocks and buying ETFs, buying Doge, is it's very important that you smash the like button, hit that subscribe button, and give me a comment. You know, tell me what to buy. Or, you know, give me some encouragement about my Australian Safe Shepherd. Tell me that I have a good ass, and shouldn't be putting down my ass. You know what I mean? And it's gonna grow. But yeah, my ass has been shrinking, guys, and it's discouraging. But I'm not selling. You never lose. You never lose money if you never sell. See, that's the thing. And that's how I became a long-term investor. I made some bad stock picks. Well, I bought some crypto. I bought some imaginary coins for a high price, and now they're not worth hardly anything. And so now I am a long-term investor. So, you know, I learned a lesson, so that's good. Anyway, I think I have rambled long enough about my ass. So, peace, guys. See you next time.